Introduction. Historical architectural styles and contemporary buildings. Historical architectural styles have profoundly shaped the design of contemporary buildings, infusing modern architecture with historical significance and aesthetic diversity. Understanding these influences provides insight into how past design principles continue to inspire and inform present-day architecture. Classical Revival and Neoclassicism. Classical Revival and Neoclassicism draw inspiration from ancient Greek and Roman architecture, characterized by columns, pediments, and symmetrical proportions. Modern buildings often incorporate these elements to convey a sense of grandeur and permanence. Classical detailing and the use of classical orders, such as Doric and Ionic columns, are frequently employed in contemporary public buildings and monuments to evoke a timeless elegance. Gothic Revival. The Gothic Revival style, with its pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and intricate tracery, continues to influence contemporary architecture. Modern buildings, especially in educational and institutional settings, incorporate Gothic-inspired elements to evoke a sense of tradition and intellectual heritage. The use of vertical lines and detailed ornamentation in modern designs often reflects the enduring appeal of Gothic aesthetics. Art Deco. Art Deco, with its geometric patterns, streamlined forms, and luxurious materials, has had a lasting impact on contemporary design. Modern architecture often incorporates Art Deco elements to add a touch of elegance and sophistication. The use of bold lines, vibrant colors, and decorative motifs reflects Art Deco's influence on modern urban landscapes and interior design. Mid-century modern. Mid-century modern architecture, known for its emphasis on simplicity, functionalism, and integration with nature, continues to shape contemporary design. Modern buildings often feature open floor plans, large windows, and minimalistic aesthetics inspired by mid-century modern principles. This style's focus on blending indoor and outdoor spaces and using natural materials remains influential in today's architectural practices. Brutalism. Brutalism, characterized by its use of raw concrete and bold, sculptural forms, has seen a resurgence in contemporary architecture. The style's emphasis on material honesty and structural expression influences modern designs that prioritize functionality and authenticity. Brutalist principles are often used in contemporary buildings to convey strength and permanence. Postmodernism. Postmodernism, which emerged as a reaction against the minimalism of modernism, incorporates historical references, playful forms, and eclecticism. Modern architecture often embraces postmodernism's approach to blending styles and incorporating historical elements with a contemporary twist. This fusion of old and new allows for creative reinterpretation and diverse architectural expressions. Sustainable architecture. Sustainable architecture, which emphasizes environmental responsibility and efficiency, often draws on historical architectural practices. Traditional techniques such as passive solar design and natural ventilation are integrated with modern sustainable technologies. This blend of historical and contemporary practices reflects a growing commitment to environmental stewardship in modern building design. Regionalism. Regionalism in architecture focuses on adapting historical styles to local contexts and climates. Contemporary buildings often incorporate regional materials and traditional design elements to create structures that resonate with local cultural and environmental conditions. This approach ensures that modern architecture remains relevant and connected to its geographical and cultural setting. High-tech architecture. High-tech architecture, characterized by its use of advanced technologies and exposed structural elements, often draws inspiration from earlier industrial and technological advancements. The incorporation of innovative materials and construction techniques reflects a modern reinterpretation of historical engineering principles, blending the past with cutting-edge technology. Conclusion. The legacy of historical architectural styles in modern design. Historical architectural styles continue to exert a significant influence on contemporary buildings, shaping modern design through classical revival, Gothic elements, Art Deco sophistication, and mid-century modern simplicity. These styles, along with brutalism, postmodernism, sustainable practices, regionalism, and high-tech architecture, demonstrate how past design principles are reinterpreted to create innovative and meaningful structures. Understanding these influences highlights the ongoing dialogue between historical and contemporary architecture, enriching the built environment with depth and diversity.